So what are the latest developments, industry trends in size reduction? So basic size reduction has not really changed in many decades. You know, today grinders are used in pretty much similar fashion than what they've been used 15, 20, 30, 40 years ago. But what has changed is the equipment itself and how it's applied and the technology that's being used. New technology is focused on improving the efficiency of size reduction equipment. That's what our focus has been, is how can we take a simple granulator and make it better for you, the customer. More and more of our customers are looking for complete solutions and not just a granulator. In the past, customers would just call up and say, hey, I need a grinder. Say what size, they tell us the size that they require, and we ship them a granulator. Today it's not the case. More and more of our customers are looking for complete solutions. Another trend today is more energy efficiency, using less horsepower. In the past, grinders have always been sold by the horsepower. I have customers that will call me and will say, hey, I need a 100 horsepower grinder. Well, that might cover 4 or 5, 6 different sizes of machines. Today it's a bit more sophisticated. We look more at cutting technologies and cutting geometries than we do horsepower. Fewer customers are buying grinders by the pound or by the horsepower. So skyrocketing material costs due to global supply chain issues, natural disasters, even politics and transportation costs have made granulators and size reduction equipment even more important today than what they have in the past. Another thing going on in the industry right now is you'll see there's a lot of pressures on plastics in the environment. Sustainability, keeping 100% of scrap out of landfills. Many local governments are implementing bans on single-use plastics. There's a much greater use of recycled materials such as rPET, and there's been a lot of marketing and media spin with regards to plastics in the environment. And a new buzzword of late that I just recently heard is environmentalism is becoming more prevalent. A lot of companies are actually starting to use less plastics in their products because of environmental concerns. So these are some of the latest things that we face in size reduction and some of the latest developments that we've seen.